kum kadak kajing sngusi bat snguburam halor kajing klat no jong Dr DD Lapang Menteri Rangba Berim Gejala ya obalatip ru kum ukpa ke Ri Bhoi u Deputy Commissioner ke Ri Bhoi District ula Pynbna da shuti ha baroh ke Wei ke district ha ke khatsan trik nailur arja pesan ke beri ka sngi leit on tap dan buram ya kamet ke basa jong uni unongelam balaklat no ha ka nika sngi baroh ki office sarkar ki jaka puli puthi ki bank bat ki wei pat ki jaka trekam hapo ka district kin khangkhar daplon.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.